For a very long time, humans have been always like, we are the only one who have language. We are the only one who has like emotions. No, we do see core components of those things also in animals. All the species have developed forms of emotions, forms of communication language, and probably forms of consciousness. My name is Julie Elie. I've been challenged to explain the 101 of bird chatter in 101 seconds. Let's go! Being able to understand an animal, being able to understand its communication and understanding how its brain is actually extracting the meaning, this is a question that always fascinates me. So I studied the zebra finch. The zebra finch is an Australian songbird that live in what they call the semi-arid zone. Those birds vocalize a lot. They are also moving a lot. So tracking them is an issue in the wild. When it comes to the lab, you can have them in large aviaries where you know where they are. They use specific vocalizations in specific contexts, and by matching those two, you can progressively reconstruct all what we call their call types. So you have a call type that corresponds to an aggression. You're stepping in front of my nest, and I want you to go away, so I'll do I want to call my mate, and so I'm going to produce a distance call that carries far away, and that my mate is going to be able to hear and respond back to me. You can record all of those vocalizations and wonder, am I actually correct in my interpretation of what they're saying? This is where being in captivity and being able to do some operant experiments is very useful, because you can target experiments to ask questions to the animals. We can really study how the auditory system is processing and extracting the meaning of those sounds. You can see that those vocalizations are not used randomly, that they are having certain effects on the other ones. What is fantastic with the birds is that we can study neural activity at the same time as the bird is listening to vocalizations and making decisions. The ability to go from the behavior down to the neural mechanisms and back to the behavior, I really love asking those questions. So every day I'm coming to work and I'm trying to find out, okay, what is the neural code? What is this animal is telling me? In this little head, right? I mean, this is this size. You have so much happening.